Hello friends. So what is an extension? How can we use extensions and where can we download them? I want to show them. The extension part is actually what we refer to as our helper tools. When smoothing any surface while building a roof or when segmenting a surface, we need an extension. When downloading extensions, there are two main sites. Friends, one of them is Sketch Curation, its own site extensionsketchup.com, also known as Extension Warehouse. The other one is sketchcuration.com, friends. When you enter this site from the plugin store section, once you register and create your own profile, you can download these extensions by going to the popular section of the site. When you download the extensions, look, when you mark the popular section, it's right here. Here are the most commonly used extensions from Fredo. Here there is an extension library called the Extension Store from Sketch Curation. You can find out whether these are paid or not by clicking on the purple info cosman here. And one of the most commonly used ones is Fredo's Round Corner, which is the corner smoothing plugin. I will show you all of these, my friends. I will show you the add-ons that we use the most, the ones that will be most useful to us, and we will see where to use them with examples. Friends, we had two intermediary sites here. One of them is this one, and the other one is the one that is added. Friends, you can see how much extensions speed up your work over time, from the simplest to the most complex extensions. It's very simple. About 75% to 80% of the extensions are paid, but the free ones will also help us a lot. Friends, I will show those to you as well. In this lesson, we looked at the extension libraries. If you access it through the browser, you won't have any issues. When you log in from Sketch Curation, you may sometimes experience problems accessing these sites. But when you access it through the browser, you can download it without any issues. When you enter here, make sure to log in with your email address. When you enter the other section, you need to register from here as well. Friends,